Yorkfield. Finally I got all my parts right here. There's the power supply, the motherboard, the CPU, the graphics card right there, and 4 GB G.Skill memory RAM. And here we got the Antec 900 case. Let's take a look at all the components first. Like I said, here's the G.Skill 4 GB memory RAM, dual channel, the CPU Core 2 Quad Q8400 2.66 GHz. Here we got the 500-watt power supply by OCZ technology. It's a modular power supply. It supports SLI. What else we got here? We got the P5Q Pro Turbo motherboard. I heard a lot of good reviews about this motherboard, so yeah, we got that. And some Logitech cordless desktop EX110. It's pretty basic. And what else we got here? Now this is what I'm talking about. We got the GTX 260 GeForce graphics card. This is a beast. Look how big that is. Look how big that is. My goodness, shit is humongous. Anyways, I believe that's it. What else we got here? We got the Antec 900 case. So that's pretty much it. And I will probably be making an unboxing video, or else I'm just gonna go ahead and cut right to the where I install all the components to the case. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Stay tuned for that. Then I'm finished installing the everything into the case, the motherboard, the CPU, graphics card, power supply, and everything else. As you can see right here, I went with the LG Optical Drive. That's pretty basic. Now let's take a look at the inside of the case. Here's how it looks. It's not the best cable management, but you know, as long as it works, that's all that matters. And these cables are extremely small. That's why I wasn't able to put all these cables behind the case, so it could look a lot better and cleaner. But yeah, you know, it is what it is. I got some stock fan, pretty basic too, but I'm gonna be replacing that as well. And what else am I gonna be? Oh yeah, here's right here, the Western Digital 250 GB hard drive, power supply itself. And yep, I'm gonna be firing this baby up, see if it works. I'm gonna install the Windows Vista operating system, 64-bit version, the ultimate version of Vista. Hopefully it works, and stay tuned for that.